Software inventory is a feature that is available for devices on which the advanced pack is enabled or which have the legacy Cyber Protect license. This feature enables you to view all of the software applications that are installed on all Windows and Mac OS devices. And with that, it is usually on by default once the proper license is turned on for it. But in order for you to see it, you will find it once you're in the console, go down into the settings underneath one of the customers. And then underneath that, in the protection lineup, right underneath credentials, is where you'll see inventory scanning. And you'll be able to scan and do the inventory scanning for the software as well as the hardware. If you come in here and turn these off, then obviously it won't produce those results. But leaving this on by default does give you the ability to get a complete software inventory so that you can do a browse and compare of information. You can determine if the applications need to be updated, anything like that. To see where that information resides, there's a couple places that you're able to find it. Inside of the devices, if you go inside of any of these with an agent on it, you can select it, and then on the right-hand side, go directly into the inventory. And if the scan has been done, you'll be able to see right away all of the new software that's sitting on it, or any software that's sitting there. If you feel that there is new software that's currently not being seen, we do run a scan every 12 hours. So if you do see something that is not here yet, you can hit scan now and we'll go ahead and do a brand new scan instead of waiting for that default. So that's a quick way to go in and see all the softwares and the builds that are on that. But you can also see it from a more top down approach as well. If you go to the left hand side underneath software management, and then go into the software inventory, you can also sparse it out this way. We'll show you every single machine that has this done on it, and you'll be able to see all of the software that's sitting there, as well as do a brand new scan, should again you feel that there is data that is not accounted for, and maybe you just recently installed it. So, yeah, perfect. Thank